Hey YouTube, new video today. Instead of doing a car video, we're doing another tech unboxing. My Samsung headphones stopped working after using them on like a plain infotainment system. So now I just bought a low budget pair of headphones and we're gonna see how they are. I was looking at like the JBL Live 3, I think it's called, and they're about 150 in Canadian here. They're on sale this week, but the hours I was working, I wasn't able to go to Best Buy, so I went to Winners, which is like a discounted shopping store, like TK Maxx is in the States, or TJ Maxx, whatever. And they had these headphones. They're supposed to be from a Toronto company, so they are called Article. And one thing I was looking for in a new set of headphones is I do prefer wired headphones because of the sound, but my wired headphones do not last, so I wanted to get something wireless for the go. I wanted headphones that had an LED or an LCD screen built into them for controlling, so I don't have to be pushing the buttons on the headphones or pulling up my phone. So I ended up getting these. The price was really good, $29.99, which is cheaper than a lot of the other headphones I've got. It comes with all these features here. Also comes with extra headphones and stuff because my Samsung headphones are broken. I was listening to a Skull Candy pair and they kept falling out of my ear. The sizing and fitting on them was horrible. These would do so much use for it if I could just switch the size on them. So here's the specs. We're gonna open it up, take a look. First of all, this case is so cool. This looks like a little book or something. Whoever designed this, give them a raise. Just another note, the box itself is incredible. Like I said, the design. The rose gold with the gold. Oh, this color slaps. Look at that. So when you open them up, here's what you see. LCD touchscreen. It has all the features like the ambient sound mode, spatial audio, voice assistant, camera control remote, volume, left and right, skip songs, screen setting, alarm, languages, equalizer like bass and all that, and next button. They're just really cool. I hope these are good because they look really awesome. And then you have this really premium looking box with the screen and all that. These are so cool. Look at that. So this is what they look like. So this was just a quick unboxing. Really cool. I love the design of these. Whoever made these, wow, awesome.